wanted to do this before, but not known how, well, I can show you how to do that. So do join us for our 3-day virtual online healthcare business bootcamp. I am so excited for you because you know what? The previous attendees are actually making things happen. One lady, I'll give you a quick story. One lady, 1 year later, she's actually earning a 7-figure business by attending one of our online boot camps. 365 days later, I got an email from one of our attendees, and she is earning a 7-figure business. She's blown away. She emailed me to say thank you. Now that should be your biggest reason to join. So do click the link here on the page, and I will speak to you soon. I can't wait to work with you. Thank you. Bye.